Hello, my sweeties. Of course, this is Lifestyle by Renee, and as you can tell, this is a unboxing by Juvia's Place. Okay, and I just received this Federal Express. Just dropped it off, and I can see out my window. And so I met him halfway down the stairs. Like I met him at the door actually. So he was like laughing. So I was like, "What you laughing at?" He was like, "Well, you must have been expecting this." And I was like, "Yes." I was like, "I could see you pull up, from my window." So of course, y'all already know I'm not gonna show myself because this is an unboxing. Juvia's, I hope I am pronouncing that right, has been out for a while. I've been out the makeup game for a long time, and if you've seen my previous makeup, my previous videos, you know that I'm redoing my makeup stash because my makeup collection was like old, and I gave away some stuff. I threw away a lot of stuff. So I am opening this up, and I seen Juvia's Place, and I like what I seen. So I didn't order a lot. I just ordered, like a little bit because, like I said, this is my first time, and I ordered the mini eyeshadow collection, and I know that everybody has seen this. I know y'all can see me, a little bit of me, but that's okay. I love this box. I am going to keep this. Pink is my color. I'm going to do the Vanna White. And it says Juvia's Place, the mini eyeshadow collection. And let's open this up. This is my first time, and I love this. Hopefully you all can see this. Let me bring this down, 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 down. And it's the Mauves by Juvia's, the Sweet Pink by Juvia's, and the Taupe by Juvia's. And if I'm not pronouncing that right, please forgive me. And we're going to open up the mauve palette. As I said, I'm late on this collection, but better late than never. Open this up. Don't want to cut myself. Let me get something else. Down, down, down. If y'all hear that noise, that's my stove. I am cooking. I am cooking some sweet potatoes for some pies, and I'm also baking some cakes. So we opening up this little baby right here. I like that they protecting the palette, and I love this protector right here, which I'll put that right there. I'm not gonna do the names because you all know this, but I am gonna do a little. I like that. Me myself. I don't see the names on here, but However, however, I like the way they go on my fingers. My fingers, I like that. Me, myself. Now, I just have to see how they go on my eyes. And from what I have seen on the videos, oh my goodness. Okay? Oh my goodness. All right? That's all I got to say. That's all I have to say. And I love it. These my colors. I'm gonna do something with this. Let me just Vanna White for y'all. Okay? Oh, I may show y'all what I may do with it. I may. And I may not. Because it's too many makeup tutorials, and I'm not the one that get on here and be showing y'all, because I'll take all year, and I'm not the type to do all the editing and all that. No. Not this girl. No. I don't do all that. The next one is the sweet pinks. Now, y'all already know. I told y'all how I feel about my pinks. Anything in the pink family. Let's see. I need something to wipe my hands, because I want to swatch. Got a little paper towel. I'm going to sit that right there. I'm going to sit that right there. Show this. Vanna White. But I'm Vanna Black, okay? Y'all don't pay no attention. Beautiful, beautiful. I love it. Oh my goodness gracious of life. Bless my heart and all my parts. Jesus, keep me near the cross. Oh my God. That's all I can say. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Okay, so I probably didn't tell y'all, but in makeup school, my name was Eyebrow Diva, so I kept that name. And like, instead of my my email I use as far as for YouTube, I use Renee at Gmail, but my regular email is eyebardiva@yahoo.com. That's what I used when I was in makeup school. So, let me wipe that off. But y'all, this Eyebrow Diva about to work this for real. Okay? Okay. Okay, this is the taupe. Y'all already know. I told y'all this is not that type of video. Okay? I'm not about to be fake. I'm not about to do all that with you all. There's nothing fake going on here. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes and oh and yes. I love. Let me see. Let me do that again. Oh, yeah. Let me do this one. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to do this one. Oh, yeah. And I'm going to do this one. Oh, yeah. Y'all see that? I love it. I love you, Lord. and I leave my voice. Okay, I love this. I will be ordering more because I love these palettes, me myself. I just have to see how they work out for me on my eyes. I'm gonna work it out. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Work it out. Work it out. I'm gonna work it out. All I can say is I love it so far. I like what I purchased. Once I do some looks with it, I can come back with a review of how, you know, it worked for me on my eyes. This is my palette from Juvia's Place. Juvia's, yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, Juvia's Place. I do love it. Juvia's Place. I will and I shall order some more palettes as soon as I see how these work out for me and stuff. Thank you all for taking out this time with me on this unboxing of my Juvia's Place mini eyeshadow collection. You all have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.